Now the first thing we are going to do, we are going to create our color styles. These are the colors we are going to use throughout this design. And also I'll attach the wireframe and the sitemap file to this video so that you can have access to it. You can download it and have it as a copy. Now quickly we're going to start by creating our colors. So we select this color here, then we come to this fourth grid box and create add. So here this color is going to be for our button, so create it and add it into our design system. So this is there already, so we go to the second one and also create it, and also create it as well. So this is going to be for the hover effect of all our buttons. So this is going to be for the hover. So we create it as well. And here is going to be for the hero title text. So also add it as a hero title text. So create it, and here it's going to be for our body text. So also create this as body text. Then we have this for our cars. It's going to be the light gray. So this is going to be for our cards in the pages. So here we also create it. So card background. So this is going to be for card background, and the last color here is going to be for the main background. Now this color, these are the colors that are going to be suitable for dark background. If you're choosing another background, you might need to work on another colors that would suit the background. So in this guide, in this particular tutorial, I'm going to use dark background, so that is why I go with these colors. So make sure you choose the colors that suit your background as well. So lastly, we're going to create this as the background color. Alright, so we create it now. All colors are available. So in the next tutorial, we're going to start design. See you in the next lecture.